Oh, cool. I think you'll have to do it in the down. Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. I hope you all like, share and commented on my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. And today we are heading towards Mulayanagiri Peak and Bababudangiri Peak. Looks exciting. I've been to Mulayanagiri Peak earlier, the last time when I came for a solo ride. But now I'm just going to Bababudangiri as well, and it seems to be a nice place. So let's go and explore a little more on that part. So we almost reached Mulayanagiri Peak. This is the card section. It's just amazing, the roads over here. It is wow. I'm not sure why did I miss this place for such a long period of time. But yeah, there are a lot of good places within Karnataka, and one among those is Chikmagalur. And there's also Coorg, which is another beautiful place. We will be doing Coorg in the end of the 6th. It will be coming on the day 6, right? So you'll have to wait for that as well. And yeah, so far so good. Things are really going out well. And yeah, let's vlog once I reach the Mulayanagiri Peak. another 500 meters, we can find the parking lot. And once we reach there, we'll be taking a trek of around close to 1 kilometer. There's a temple in the top, in the peak, and there's nothing much to see over there. It's just a good place to chill with friends and families over a weekend. And yeah, and there's a lot of it's just like Ladakh. If people who know about the logic about Ladakh, that they sell Maggie and all of those things. So the same thing they follow here as well. So near the parking lot, they have all of these Maggie and all of those stuffs. It's nice, yeah. You get the same feel, not the exact Ladakh feel, but yeah, why not? Like, it's nice to chill out in a place like that. Yeah, if you guys can see in the left, there's a couple of bikers who are dancing over there. Mm. Yeah, group rides are fun. Even like solo ride is also good, and even like two of us was also fun. Yeah, it's all about the vibes that you have. So yeah, let's park the bike here and then let's walk towards the peak. See you there.
Hey guys, so yeah, just reached Mulayanagiri peak. Looks damn good though. This is the view, and yeah, that's Srinivas taking a couple of pics to upload in his Insta page. And here's the view. It's around. Let me see what the time is. It's around 9:50 in the morning, and the thing is, it's completely covered with mist and fog. So let's go inside a bit slowly. This is how the view is. People taking pictures and a lot of stuff. Yeah, amazing, right? I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So this is the view. This is the Mulayanagiri peak. It's around 20 kilometers from the city, Chikmagalur. And after this, we'll be heading towards which place is that? Yeah, we'll be heading towards. Not sure. Yeah, Bababudangiri, and then we'll be going to Devram. Cool. Peace out.
So now there's a lot of traffic in the early morning itself. The time is around. It's not actual early morning, but yeah, a lot of people out there. It's around 10:30 now, and we are heading towards Bababudangiri. This is the second destination for the day. Post which we might go to Jhari waterfalls because we heard that there's a couple of safaris, jeep safaris. So we wanted to try that. Let's see if time permits, we can go over there. Mm, so yeah, meet you all in Bababudangiri Peak.
Uncle, ಬೇಡವಾ uncle, ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್ ಏನು ಹಾಂ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಕಲ್ ಯಾ
So what happened here was I was just waiting for Srinivas because he was stuck in the traffic in the peak near the peak. So what happened was I was just waiting near this temple, Sita Layanagiri temple, and there's this two kids who walked up to me and they were like, you would have seen the previous clip, and they were like, "Are you a YouTuber? And is this a GoPro?" and all of those. I was like, I was kind of shocked when I got to hear that because you know they know about GoPro and stuff. So yeah, that's nice. So I just told them that yes, I do have a channel, and I also mentioned the channel's name. Let's see if they subscribe to the channel. And yeah, still, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe. Just a reminder. Cool. So we are on the way to Bababudangiri. Let me check the maps. Another 15 kilometers. We should be there. So yeah, let's go.
Oh, this is the route. Cool. Hey guys, so finally we reached Bababudangiri. So we had to go to Jhari waterfalls, but what ideally happened is there were a lot of vehicles parked over there, and just because of this COVID thing, we don't want to go to crowded places. First thing, and then they told us bikes are not allowed. It's kind of trekking, so that's the main thing that we wanted to, didn't wanted to go to that place, and this is how the Bababudangiri peak looks. Yeah, next is either Kemanagundi or Devramani. Stay tuned for watching the rest of the vlog.
So now we actually thought of not going to Jhari Falls since it was too crowded. But it's very nice. Like when I saw the Google pictures, it was too good to see. So we both discussed, and we thought like we'll just stay away from people for a while. just over there we'll see if the crowd is within the within control or something, then we can actually try for it. So that's what we are heading towards Jhari waterfalls, and we'll check out how are the prices over there for the jeep safari, and also we can visit the falls as well. We don't want to miss it. At least three places we can be done for the day. So let's see. Let's go.
Hey guys, what's up? So this is Jhari waterfalls. We did. You guys would have seen the safari. Yeah, pretty good. So for a jeep, it costs you around 700. We were four of us. So what we did is both of us, me and Srinivas, paid 350, and there was another couple who's paying 350. So it's like, sharing basis. Yeah, good price though for the 3 kilometer drive. And yeah, it's just amazing. And if you can see, there's the water flowing. Looks like a beautiful place. So just wanted to try this out. And yeah, let's head to the waterfalls and then continue vlogging. So here we reached the Jhari waterfalls, and yeah, let me show you the back view in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.